has changed.
I know.
Marissa had to stop to belch.
I didn't even stop.
He's winning this.
Wow. And Kelly has to wipe her lips or wipe her drip.
Apparently, Marissa lets Todd practice a lot.
Oh my god.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's a problem that'll happen.
Whoa.
Look at Todd.
Oh my God.
He is straight up and down
Emma.
the hatch. That's cheating.
Emma Ruth.
Oh my God. Kelly, that's not fair. Put it on the patio.
Emma, what do you think about all of this? What do you think, Bear?
It's hard to tell. There's so much fun.
Hi.
I think Todd
There's Macy. Say hi, Macy.
gotta dance a little with us, you know?
Can't see over the bush. That's what she said.
It really does.
Oh, good job, Bear. Look at you go. Good job, Bear. I'm watching you.
I think I'm over the skating. What happens if you take a lid up? See, this is how you control your drinking. You drink it through a baby
Jeez.
bottle.
He's going to burpee. Come on, Marissa. He needs a burpee.
Good job, Bear. Good girl. Good girl. Todd's still drinking. Good girl, Bear.